my associates recently invited me to a local marketing meetup. On this video, I'm going to show you something that you can start using today to improve your marketing. But buckle up, because we're starting right now. Hey, I'm Matthew. Welcome to Car Count Hackers. Here, we're all about growing your car count, income, and profits so that you can improve your lifestyle and that of everyone you care about. So let's jump right into this. I was recently invited to join a local marketing meetup, and it was convenient for me to get there. I went because, hey, that's what I love. That's my passion. And it's always interesting to see what's going on and what other people are doing. You know, maybe you can plug that into what you're doing. But here's what happened. When the meeting started, we were all asked to introduce ourselves. So we had a lady who was a confidence coach. We had a fellow who was a financial advisor. We had another person who was sold software for helping improve business KPIs. We even had a speaking coach. But the one thing that they missed is telling everyone specifically what they do. Now pay attention, because you're going to want to know this. When I was asked, I said, hey, I'm Matthew. I help independent auto repair shop owners grow their car count, income, and profits so that they improve the lifestyle of everyone they care about. That was 24 words. But here's the thing. I'm going to tell you now the secret formula to introducing yourself to people that you don't know. It's, well, you could call it your elevator speech. But here's the key. Number one, keep it to 25 words or less. Now, don't get excited if it goes 27 or 22. Really, what I just told you about me was 24 words. But it's short and concise enough, but tells you everything that I do. Number two, introduce yourself. Tell people who you are. Number three, tell them what you do. Now, you know, in the auto repair business, it's easy to say, I fix cars, or I own a repair shop. But that's not very exciting. And the fourth thing you want to do is provide a transformation. What is it that you do that transforms me when I get your service? When I introduced myself about growing car count, income, and profits, I said so that would help improve the lifestyle of everyone you care about. That's the transformation. So what's your transformation? Better yet, what's your title? Listen, I work with auto repair shops owners privately, and one of the first things that we do is establish a title. One shop owner I work with is the Chief Noise Eliminator, and he introduces himself by saying he's the Chief Noise Eliminator, and that helps you avoid unexpected roadside breakdown. That's the transformation. Who wants to get stuck on the side of the interstate? So what's the transformation that you can provide? Is it helping me avoid unexpected roadside breakdown? Is it helping me save money on service and maintenance? I can't give you the answer, because this has to be something that you believe in, that you do best. And better yet, that helps you narrow down the focus of the customer that you're looking for. So jot this down. The overall formula is really only 4 parts. Try to keep it to 25 words or less. Number 2, tell them who you are. Number 3, tell them what you do clearly. Don't just say, I repair cars. Tell them what you do. And number 4, tell me what transformation I'm going to get when I come and visit you. Listen, the confidence coach said, I help people build confidence. The financial investor said, we help you with your money. Yeah, so what? I got a lot of people that want to help me with my money. Like, really? Tell me the transformation you're going to get. And in part of this, I didn't really jump on it, but come up with your title. Who are you? And that's the way that people will better remember you. Because after all, it's not your customer's job to remember you. And while we're on that topic, I'm going to link a video up here about the 7 ugly truths about your customer, because it's just a fact. They're busy. They lead busy lives. But you need to understand those 7 ugly truths about your customer so that you know how to reach your best customers. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and register down below for how to fix your car count in 89 days. It's a free training course. On that course, I'm going to show you how to virtually eliminate the competition in your market. And I don't care whether you're urban, small town, rural, or big city. Then I'm going to show you how to actually get customers to refer you. I'm going to show you an almost sneaky trick that gets customers to leave perfect reviews every time and all the time. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscriber button and ring the bell icon. Hey, I'm Matthew Lee, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day to watch this video. If you feel that this may help another shop owner, feel free to go ahead and forward it to it or post it in your Facebook group. In the meantime, I can't wait to see you on the next video. Better yet, can't wait to see you on the free training course. Take care. Talk soon.